guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you all a recipe which is very easy and also which is very cheesy. Today we are going to make Monaco biscuit sandwiches which can be served as a great delicious starter.
We require little onions chopped and some capsicums chopped as well, and we require a little tomato chopped, and here I have grated some potato and lots of cheese. Now we will mix all of these ingredients in a bowl just like this. Our mixture is ready and we will add a pinch of salt accordingly, and also we will add some red chili powder. In the next step, we will take some mixture in our palms and start making small round balls out of it just like this. Do this for the remaining mixture as well. This is ready. Now we will take a Monaco biscuit, the top facing down, and we will take a ball of stuffing and cover it with another biscuit, and then we will press it gently just like this, and it will look this way. We will repeat the same process for all. Now, another two ingredients that we require are tomato ketchup and save. We will take our biscuit sandwich and cover it with tomato ketchup on all the sides. Apply the tomato ketchup evenly and properly. For the final step, we will take our biscuit sandwich and roll it on the save, and it will look just like this. We will do this for the remaining biscuit sandwiches. Our delicious biscuit sandwiches are ready.
I hope you guys found this recipe helpful. Monaco biscuit sandwiches are loved by all, especially kids. So do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how did you guys like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free, and give this video a big thumbs up and turn on the bell notification so every time I post a new video you will know first. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be happy and stay positive. Bye.